It would always be an accusation for Jesus that most of his healing ministry happened on a Sabbath day. For them, and until now, every Sabbath day is holy. All would worship the Lord. Rest is required. Not amount or no amount or unnecessary action is needed. You rest and you worship, that's it. To such notion, rulers during the time of Christ was so particular with such. To violate it is to break the great amount of it. But if we will just take a look at and sense the heart of Jesus, it was as if he was being prevented from being good and being loving even on the day of worship. That is why in Jesus, we saw a breakthrough. And yes, it's Sabbath day, and it will always be a day to be good and to keep on loving. Hindi nakayanan o noong panahon ni Jesus, ng mga panahon na iyon, hindi makayanan ni Jesus na kahit sa araw ng pagsamba o sa pamamahinga ay hindi maging mabuti. Dahil sa isang taong may puso, walang pinipiling oras ang pagmamahal at pagiging mabuti. Araw-araw, pagkakataon para magmahal at maging mabuti. Today, in a very particular way, we are to cast our votes for our barangay and sangguniang kabataang leaders. We have been as well living with leaders around us, both in the greater arena of our society and even to small communities, from your families maybe and until here in every church or churches we belong to. At ito po ang dasal at pag-asa po natin sa araw na ito. Mga lider na may puso, mga lider na walang pinipiling oras, na doon lamang lider at kasama. Bagkus, dahil lider na may puso, araw-araw, pagkakataon para mahalin ang bawat Pilipino at maging mabuti sa kapwa Pilipino. Hindi lang lider sa panahon ng kampanya. Hindi lang leader kapag may kamera. Leader na may puso at araw-araw nakikita ang pagkakataon na maging mabuti at magmahal ng kapwa. The invitation won't only remain to them, but to each and every one of us. To have such attitude of Christ, that days may not prevent us from doing good, but because of the goodness of our hearts, every day is a chance to love, every day is a chance to share, every day is a chance to be good, every day is a chance to bring healing, to listen, to accompany people, and to lead everyone close to God. My dear brothers and sisters, because every day is a chance to love and to be good, every day is a chance to worship God. Every day is a chance to praise God.